Well, if you want to create a YouTube channel to start promoting your business, or if you want to create a second YouTube channel for yourself, the good news is that the process is very simple than you can imagine. First of all, what you have to do is just open your browser and just head over to youtube.com. So make sure to log in to your normal personal account or whatever account you want. And as soon as you logged in and you visit the landing page of youtube.com, what you have to do is just click on this profile image icon. And as soon as you click the icon, you will get lots of options to choose from, and if you move your cursor to the bottom you will get to see a button called settings. So just click on that specific button, and once you click on that click on settings, and once you reach the settings page you will get to see a option called add or manage your channels. So just click on the same, and just go ahead and click on create a new channel. Now you just need to put in your channel name or your brand name. So I will just put in my second channel name as maybe SSM practice, and just tick the box and click on create. Fantastic. So as you could see, my channel has been created, and now of course if I want to customize my channel, what I have to do is just click on this customize channel button, and here is where you will get all the options that are really matters when it comes to your channel optimization. So now let's say if you want to add logo, what you have to do is just click on this branding, and here is where you will get to see all the options to add logo, to add banner, image, video, watermark, and all the things like that. And if you go to basic info, here is where you have an option to add description, links, contact info, and all the other things. So that's how easy it is to create a second YouTube channel on the same email account. Now, if you want to toggle between your multiple YouTube channels, what you have to do is just click on the same image logo, and here is where you will get a button to switch between your multiple YouTube channels. So as a quick tip, what you can do is you can start by heading over to youtube.com/account, and you will reach the same page that you have reached after clicking the settings button. So this is a quick shortcut for you. If you want you can use it, or if you want you can use the existing way as well. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and set up a second YouTube channel under the same account as I've shown you in this video. And if you have any questions related to YouTube marketing, video marketing, digital marketing, WordPress development, or anything, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I will definitely try to help you as much as I can. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.